Just a quick video here on ARCT and the pattern that it's developed here. This thing just at the beginning of this month was $129 and now 42. So, massive sell-off on, I guess, drug news that failed, or the program they were working on failed. And so it sells off. This isn't a pattern that I trade. This is, I don't think you want to try and catch a falling knife here. There is a pattern that develops, and it's called the J pattern, or the fishhook. This comes down maybe off support and it starts to turn. And when it starts to turn, you usually get a 3-day run up. You can buy the stock there and take it, buy the dead cat bounce. But until it decides that it's actually stopped falling, you don't want to be sticking your hand out there to try to catch it, because you might get bloody. It's a huge sell-off. So you can imagine all of the overhead now for this stock. Anytime it takes a pop, people are going to be wanting to get out of it. So there's a pattern here. The J pattern, when it sells off, it finds support and starts to go up. In 3 days, you can trade it. Look at the volume today. This is not, well, we don't know if this is capitulation yet. If this stock started to recover today, then you would get capitulation, and then maybe you get a V bottom right hand extension recovery, or a V bottom, and it goes. So it could develop into that pattern. Only if this is capitulation, though. I wouldn't be surprised that it is. Look at the volume relative where it normally trades. Normally trades 500,000 shares, and it's traded 12.2 million so far today. So if we get a resurgence here, it comes back. Now it is going to run into trouble, around 53, 54. There's a lot of resistance in this area for it. 60, area. Look for a J pattern, or perhaps a capitulation. You get a V bottom right hand extension, and then it could go. But at the moment, I wouldn't be looking to buy this stock. You might get lucky. It might be, it's 50-50 at best. Actually, it's a 33% success trade. 33% it keeps going down, 33% it trades sideways, 33% it goes up. There's nothing to indicate that this is the bottom for it. Look at here, we got this saucer pattern. You think, oh, this must be the bottom. Pops, and then boom, off it goes again. So, is this the next saucer pattern, and then it drops again? If this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, you'd look for one more wave down. So no pattern developed here to buy the stock right at the moment. You can buy it, but it's a matter of luck whether you win or lose on the trade or break even. It's not a good risk reward type trade. Once it starts to make the J pattern, though, that's a different story. You can see, this in a sense is a J pattern here, where it sold off sharply from 60 to 40 and then popped back up. But this would be more dramatic. Here's, you've got this big sell-off, and then here's your V bottom right hand extension recovery, and then goes. But for now, there's nothing here signaling that this is a buy.